Welcome back. If you're enjoying this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI is a high-performance variant of the iconic Golf hatchback, known for its sporty design and exhilarating driving dynamics. At the heart of the Golf GTI lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering impressive performance figures. This engine produces around 250 to 300 horsepower, providing exhilarating acceleration and responsive power delivery. In terms of dimensions, the Golf GTI typically measures around 425 centimeters in length and 179 centimeters in width, providing a spacious and comfortable interior for driver and passengers alike. Equipped with stylish wheels, the Golf GTI offers precise handling and a dynamic driving experience, whether navigating city streets or tackling twisty backroads. Fuel consumption for the Golf GTI is reasonable, considering its performance capabilities, with efficiency ratings averaging around 25 to 30 mpg combined. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes approximately 5 to 6 seconds, depending on the transmission and driving mode selected. With a top speed of around 155 to 160 miles per hour, the Golf GTI offers thrilling performance on the open road. Boot space in the Golf GTI is comparable to the standard Golf model, typically around 380 to 400 liters, providing ample room for luggage or sports equipment. Despite its sporty credentials, the Golf GTI remains practical and versatile, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.